Hello students, welcome to grammar learning. Today in grammar I will teach you subject verb concord. It means the agreement of verb with subject. In other words we can also say it subject verb relationship. Okay, you know that each verb is decided according to the subject. Now, there are two types of verbs, singular verb and plural verb. Okay, is, am, does, has, these are singular verbs. Plays, runs, works, etc. are singular verbs. And are, have, do, run, play, work, these are plural verbs. Now, when do we use singular verbs and when do we use plural verbs, that we will see in this lecture. Okay, the first one is singular verb, the uses of singular verb. When do we use singular verb? When two singular subjects refer to same person or things. When two singular subjects refer to same person or thing. See here, friend and guide, two singular subjects are given. Okay, and they are connected with and. We will use singular verb. Next example is the poet and statesman is dead. Here no article is used here. In first sentence also no article is used after, before the second subject. Okay, it means it is one and same person only. Okay, in second sentence, first part, the poet and statesman is dead. Here we are talking about the same person, only one person is there. But if you add the again before statesman, it means the poet and the statesman, it means two persons. So here we will use plural. Understood? So because of this article only, the whole meaning of the sentence is changed. So keep this in your mind, that if no article is used, it means same person, and if different articles are used for different subject, then two persons are there. Okay, next rule is when two subjects represent one idea. Here rice and curry, they represent one idea. What is the idea? Dish. Okay, what is the common idea? Dish. And these two are of same category. Okay, food category. So singular verb will be used. Understood? Next one is when two singular nouns joined by and preceded by each, every, either, neither, also. Okay, and here and is used, and joined by and preceded by every or each, we use singular verb. And is used, preceded by each or every, and so singular verb is used. Every man and woman works here for the good of institution. Then next one is when two or more singular subjects are connected by or, but neither nor either or, singular verb is used. See here, John and Tapan, two singular subjects are there, and they are connected with or. They are connected with or. Okay, so John or Tapan, John, Tapan, two singular subjects are there and they are connected with or. So singular verb is used. Is used. Okay, so understood this rule. Next one is Singular subject is followed immediately by, as well as, in addition to, including, no less than, with, together with. One of the requires singular verb. Try to remember all these things, all these phrases, as well as, in addition to, including, no less than, with, together with, one of. Okay, all these words, they require singular verb. See in example, the husband as well as the wife needs advice. Okay, here the husband as well as the wife needs advice. Here the phrase as well as is given. Okay, so we use here singular verb needs. Okay, don't think that two subjects are given so we will use need. No, it's wrong. Here two different singular subjects are followed by the phrase as well as, so singular verb will be used. Understood? Next one is the coach together with his assistants. The coach together with his assistants was praised. Here the coach, one person is there, together with his assistants. Don't think that here assistants plural is given of assistant, we will use were. No, it's wrong. The coach together with the, after the coach comma is given, after the assistants comma is given. Okay, so here was will be used. Understood? Then indefinite pronouns as anybody, anyone, each, either, everybody, neither, nobody, no one, somebody, and many a. All these words also require singular verb. Okay, see in 8th standard, in previous chapter only I explained you determiners and articles, where you will put the usage of each, every, either and neither. There also you have studied that each, either, neither, every, they follows the singular verb. Okay, here also each is used, nobody is used, so we have used singular verb. Each of them, don't think here them is given we will use have. No, each of them has a scholarship. Okay, next one is nobody. Nobody denies the fact. Here we cannot use deny. Okay, we have to use IES, DENIES, denies. Understood? Next one is when a collective noun is used as a unit. As a unit means as a group. When a collective noun is used as a group, as a unit, we will use singular verb. For example, the jury is finally complete. Okay, here the group of jury is talked about. Okay, then in next sentence you will tell, ma'am, here the jury is, and here why the jury were. In second sentence the were is used. The jury were divided in their opinion. So here we are talking about jury not as a unit. We are talking about the individual member of the jury. Collective noun jury. Okay, jury means group of judges. Okay, so here we are talking about each and every judge of the jury. Okay, so here were is used because the jury is in broader sense, it is not used in a singular unit. Okay, here we are talking about the different members of the jury. Understood? So here keep this in your mind. Then next one is plural numbers take a singular verb when they are used in a phrase to indicate a sum or a unit. Try to understand this rule. Plural numbers, here What is the plural number? 10 years. Years plural. 40 hours plural. Okay. Plural numbers take a singular verb when they are used in a phrase to indicate a sum or a unit. Here it is used as a unit, long to wait, long to wait, and here regular work week. Okay, so it is singular and used as a unit, so we will use here singular verb. Understood? 10 years is too long to wait and 40 hours is a regular work week. Understood? Next one is certain nouns generally take a singular verb such as dynamics, politics, economics, electronics, ethics, news, physics, statistics, linguistics, etc. These are the nouns which generally take a singular verb. So many examples are there with me. Politics is a dirty game. See the word politics. News. Okay, after this word singular noun is used. Okay, after these words only singular noun is used. Some more examples I can give you. Mathematics is my favorite subject. So mathematics, okay, S is given, then also we use is. This news is false. ये news गलत है. Economics has no charm for me. Economics, okay, S is there. Then also we use is, has, singular verb. The wages of sin is death. The wages, it seems plural but it is singular, so we use singular verb here. Then plural verb. Plural verb, when do we use plural verb? Plural verb is used when two or more singular subjects are joined by and. Okay, he and I are great friends. Here I have used are. Okay, two or more singular verbs, singular nouns are joined with and. Then we use plural verb. Next sentence is Atul and Amit. Atul and Amit. Here two persons are there, Atul, Amit. Okay, and joined by and. So we use are, means past form of are, were here. Understood? Then next rule is when the subjects are connected by or nor are of different numbers, verb should be plural and plural subject should be placed near the verb. For example, James and lawyers. Okay, they are of different numbers. The first one, James, is singular and lawyers, this is plural. Okay, so singular and plural, they are joined with neither nor. Okay, so here previously I told you that with either nor, with either or neither nor we use singular verb, but if the singular or plural type of nouns, they are joined with such words, plural subject will placed near the verb and the verb placed according to the plural subject. Okay, here if you make the sentence neither his lawyers nor James were there, then it will be wrong. Okay, you have to place his lawyers near were. So neither James nor his lawyers were there. Understood? Here when two or more singular verbs, okay, when two or more singular subjects are connected by or nor, either or neither nor, verb agrees with the latter. With the latter मतलब पीछे वाला, बाद वाला. Okay, former means आगे वाला, latter means पीछे वाला. Okay, either you or he has stolen the watch. See, this is the important rule. Okay, either you or he has stolen the watch. So here we have put has. Why we have put has here? Because the verb is placed according to the letter subject, and the letter subject is he. With he we use have. We have not used have. Okay, we have not used have. So either you or he has stolen the watch. Once again, try to remember this rule. When two or more singular subjects are connected by or, nor, either or, neither, nor, verb agrees with the letter subject. Okay. Next one is with nouns like shoes, scissors, glasses, spectacles. When they are not used with the words or pair, we use plural form of the verb. For example, my scissors are lost. Here, my scissors are lost. Here, we have used are. Why are? Because here scissors word is always used with plural verb. Okay, but if the same sentence is there but a pair of is used, so here we use is. Understood? Some of the errors you are making, most of the people they make these errors. I can give you. Find out the error. I will go slow while dictating this sentence. You can note down in your notebook. Can we start? See here, I am giving you some sentences to find out the error, rectify the error. Okay. First sentence is 2000 rupees are a good sum. 2000 rupees are a good sum. Now can you find out the mistake? If you understood this chapter properly, then you can find out the mistake. 2000 rupees are a good sum. What is the mistake in this sentence? What is the mistake in this sentence? So here are is used. First sentence are is used. It is wrong. We will use is. And which rule is applicable here? Here 2000 rupees is used with the phrase good sum. It is good sum. Okay. So it is wrong. R is wrong. The correct sentence is 2000 rupees is a good sum. Okay, next one. The king and poet are here. What is the mistake in this second sentence? The king and poet are here. Here also we will not use are. Why we will not use are? Because the king himself is a poet. किंग और पोएट दोनों एक ही इंसान है. जो किंग है वो पोएट भी है. ओके, बिकॉज हियर article the is not given. Only before king article the is given. The king and poet are here. And if I use the king and the poet are here, then it is right sentence. Okay, if I put the article before poet, then there are two persons, the king also and the poet also. They are different persons. But if article the is not used before poet, then there is only one person. The king himself is a poet. Okay, so here what will be the correct sentence? The king and poet is here. Understood? Then next one, third sentence. The father with his sons were present there. The father with his sons were present there. Here we will not use were. What is the mistake here? Instead of were, we use was. The father with his sons was present there. Okay, next one is he as well as his parents are illiterate. He as well as his parents are illiterate. So here are is wrong. Okay, we use is. So what is the correct sentence? He as well as his parents is illiterate. Next one is bread and butter are my only food. Bread and butter are my only food. What is the mistake here? Here also are is wrong, because bread and butter, they belongs to same category. Okay, so here is will be used. Bread and butter is on my only food. Next one is either you or your brother have done this. Either you or your brother have done this. Here, what is the mistake? Instead of have, we use has. Either you or your brother has done this. I explained you this rule that with either or, you will follow the rule of letter subject. The letter subject is your brother, and with your brother we use has, not have. Okay, so either you or your brother has done this. Next one is either of these two boys are guilty. I told you with either we use singular verb. So either of these two boys is guilty. The jury were of one mind. The jury were of one mind. The right sentence is the jury was of one mind, because collectively they are of one opinion. So here singular verb will be used. Next one is Gulliver's Travels are an interesting book. Have you read this book? Gulliver's Travels जोनाथन स्विफ्ट की है. ओके, रीड करके देखना. जो जंगलम मंगलम मूवी देखी होगी, उसमें वो जायंट इंसान है, वो कहीं पर आइलैंड पर पहुंच जाता है, टाइनी पीपल के आइलैंड पर, है ना, वो वाली बुक. Gulliver's Travels are an interesting book. What is the mistake here? Here Gulliver Travels is, because it is a book, so is will be used. Neither you came here nor your brother did. Here we will use did before your brother. So neither you came here nor did your brother. Next sentence is a large number of people was present there. So here a large number of people were present there. Okay, then the majority of the applicants is girls. So what is the right sentence? The majority of the applicants are girls. The news from the war front are not encouraging. What is the right sentence? The news from the war front is not encouraging. None of them are right. So here you will write none of them is right. Okay, instead of are we will use is, because the word none is used. Okay, then what I say and do is none of his business. What I say and do are none of his business. Why we use are here? Because two things are joined with and. Okay, now I am asking you some questions. Okay, try to give answer. Politics dash a dirty game. Here I have taken this sentence in example. So what will come, is or are? Is. Okay, no news dash good news. Is or are? Is. Neither you nor I invited. Am or is? Am. Okay, then the master of these shops dash very rich. Do or are or is? The master of these shops is, because shops are many but master is only one person. Then the quality of the oranges dash not good. Is or are? Is. Okay, the poet and the dramatist dash dead. Is or are? Are. Okay, one of the boys in the camp dash fallen ill. Has or have? What will come? One of the boys in the camp dash fallen ill. Has or have? Has. Okay, then I am giving you one sentence, rectify it. The principal with all the members of his staff dash come. Has or have? The principal with all the members of his staff have come. What is the mistake here? The mistake is have. And what is the correct word? Has. The right sentence is the principal with all the members of his staff has come. Okay. Next sentence. Many a student have failed in this test. Has or have? Many a student have failed. Okay. Then my spectacles is very costly. What is the mistake here? Yes, with spectacles all we use are only. Okay. Rice and curry are not agreeable to me. What is the mistake here? Are. So right answer is rice and curry is not agreeable to me. Then I'm searching the sentences. Yes, I have a black and a red cow. Okay, so how many cows are referred here? 2 cows. But if I say I have a black and white cow, then it is 1 cow only, and the cow is of 2 colors, black and white. Okay, so I think you understood this chapter. It's easy. You have to remember the rules for singular verb, then ultimately you will remember the rules for plural verb. Okay, so I will upload the exercises for the chapters which I explained you. Try to practice all this exercise in your grammar notebook. Okay, then problems we will solve in our live lecture, online lecture. Okay, so subject verb conquered, tenses, determiners and articles. For these 3 chapters I will upload the exercises. I uploaded exercises for figures of speech and parts of speech. I hope you have written the answers. Now for these 3 chapters also I will upload the exercise part, and you can refer your old notebook or 9th standard textbook notebook of previous class students. Okay, 9th standard की लास्ट ईयर की जो बच्चे हैं उनकी नोटबुक टेक्स्ट बुक लेकर भी आप लोग रिफ़र कर सकते हो, बट ट्राई टू कंप्लीट द वर्क, and I will also upload the notes part of this chapter. So don't worry regarding the notes because you don't have grammar textbook with you. And why grammar textbook is not given to you? Because you are at the advanced level of learning grammar, so you do not need any grammar textbook. All the things I will provide you, whatever I'm referring so many grammar books and I'm making my own notes, and those notes only I'm uploading in our app. Okay, so don't worry regarding I don't have grammar textbook or exercise book, what I will do. Okay, don't worry regarding that thing. I will give you all the things, I will provide you all the things, but you have to work hard for grammar. If you want to score good marks for 10th standard, in 9th standard also, then you have to pay attention in grammar. Okay, I hope you understood this chapter. We will meet in next lecture. Bye.